Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by opening the workbook and saving a copy so edits are reversible. Once done, select the exact range, column, or entire sheet you need checked. This limits false positives. Make sure your proofing language is correct in File Options language, because Excel uses that to detect spelling. Then click Review on the ribbon to reveal the spelling command. This is the first actionable step that kicks off Excel's spell checker immediately. Now run the checker by pressing F7 or tapping Review Spelling. Excel will scan visible text and prompt you on each issue. When a suggestion appears, decide. Change for single correction, change all for repeated mistakes, ignore if intentional, or add to dictionary for proper nouns. Make sure to inspect comments, headers/footers, and formulas manually. Excel may skip them or treat cell text inside formulas differently. Once you've progressed through, finish by handling consistent mistakes with find and replace so you don't miss pattern errors. This is faster for mass corrections. Once done, re-enable hidden rows and columns and rerun the spell check to catch skipped cells and manually review cells with formulas or merged content. If spell check won't run, make sure proofing options are enabled and the correct language is set. If problems persist, restart Excel or reset proofing preferences. This often resolves persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.